Hey guys, sorry that I said if you hear sniffling, but I've got a cold, but I'm still doing the video, and I've got to go Piglet. How, you might ask? Well, what you want to do first is buy a pig. So let's just click here. Get a pig. Let's choose random colors. Let's randomize it. Done. Yes, I want to adopt this pet. And then, personality, relax. Favorite toy, friendly spider toy. Favorite food, grasses. Wow. Anyway, so what you're going to do is go to the thingy. Pleasure Pet Party. And as you can see, there's stuff. And as you can see, there's hats. But this, what happens? It turns it golden, and then when you take it off, it's like that. So let's just give it to some people. So this is how you get it. You get a golden Piglet by doing this. Anyway, we're gonna just... Wait, what pen? Is that a... Oh my god, that's a phantom! I want to decorate my phantom. You see, I'm gonna trade my friend a golden pig and she's gonna be like, oh. She better not be watching this. Anyways. Ooh, 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 I like that. Santa. Yeah. Look at that. Look at it. Let's look at that. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I am back off holiday. Feel free to donate anything. I need many more prizes, presents. It could be anything. For mail time, when it gets to like around about 30, I will actually start opening them. So, I hope to see you back. See you next time. Bye! Shout out to Hulby0 for an amazing animal. Oh, my name's Christy Light. I kind of like that. And also, shout out to Olivia and 9 for a very kawaii turkey. I thought I accidentally clicked log out. That's all, guys. Bye!